Hello everyone, my name is Gayatri and in this video content we will see how to pass different types of um, data in a Java program using Eclipse run configuration. For example, if we will talk about any class, for example, employee details table or customer details table or any class also if we will consider. The type of the data may be different types. For example, if we will talk about employee details can have employee name, employee ID, employee salary, which belongs to integer, string and double. So let us just create the variable. Here this is a simple employee details class where emp name is a string obviously, and double emp salary, and let me just use integer emp id. So in which sequence I need to pass the values: emp name, string, one string, double and integer. So let me pass those. I have to right click on the class, run as, run configuration. You can see run configuration over here. Now here I can see the class name employee details. Here it is employee details. Now what we need to do is, this is the main class name, right? So here you can see the next tab, that is arguments. So if we will click on arguments, this is the place where we can give the arguments which we need. So for example, I am just giving the arguments. So let me just see employee name, that is Gayatri. Yeah, that's it. Now employee ID and employee salary and employee ID. So employee salary, let us say 56,080, and employee ID 1147. This is integer, right? So let me just click on apply. That's it. Now let me just click on close. Now how can I access those parameters? So it is very easy to access those parameters. Now I have to use emp name equal to integer. So it is string, so I can directly use args of 0. So from the first parameter it will take the name. It's that easy. Now second variable is employee salary or emp al. Fine. So now here this is double. So I have to use double because everything will be treated as string. We need to convert it to double. Dot first double. So you can see first double and args of 1. So that data will be converted to double. Now employee id, emp id. So now here we have to use integer dot percentage. So everything will be treated as string. So we need to convert the data into integer. We have to convert the data into double. So now let me just use args of 2. Now in this way I can access the data. So for example, we can say emp name, then empal, empal, and we can say emp id. That's it. So let me just cross check again the run configuration, so we can see the expected output. So Gayatri and one salary and one id is there. So let me close it again and let me just run as Java application, and let's say, yeah, you can see those datas over here. Fine. So I think it is very clear how can we pass the data in run configuration and accept it from the Java program. Fine. So that is like very easy to do. That's just if the data is of integer type and double type or float type, we need to take care by using the type dot parse that particular type and converting that particular argument and storing it to the specific variable. So this is the way we can access. Fine. So I hope this video is useful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.